So we've discussed the consultation, and I told you that our contract guides you through that consultation. Guess what? We're going to give you a link right to our consultation forms, our contract, and the waiver for free. It's just right in this email. And you can download it, you can edit it, you can change it, you could do whatever you want with it. But that's what we do in my salon. If you want to make sure it's a legally binding contract, you can check with an attorney. But everything is laid out in this contract. One, it's going to help you through your consultation. Two, it's going to help you document what you said. It's going to talk about the retainer. It's going to give you a cancellation window with your clients that if you don't cancel before 72 hours, you will lose your retainer. If you want to stick to that, that's up to you. But do remember, don't treat yourself like a hobbyist. Treat yourself like a professional. You mean business, and this is your time, and you've marked out all day for this client. So you need to have it in writing that if you're going to lose a day of work, you're still going to get paid for it, because them being neglectful, it's not on you. That's all in the contract. It's also in there about a waiver. That talks about you've discussed everything, all the tools, everything to make them successful. Your install was up to par, total perfection. Now it's up to them. So all these things are in that contract. So click the link, print it, make it your own.